I got it here, tough build auto-loading utility knife with 50 blades. So there's a explanation how it works. I just read through it, open up like this. So it takes 5 blades in auto-loading and 5 blades in storage. It comes with 50 blades like this. Sweet. Wow, that's a lot. Okay, just take a whole bunch, I guess one at a time, either way. Oh wow, they well oiled. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's good. Gonna line them up, and what I will do is just drop them all into here. Pretty sure that's what it says. Yeah, they're very oiled up. Yeah, looks like I could do it one at a time, all 5 together, either way. I'll just do 1 and 2 like this, and then I can put in a bunch in the storage right here. Let's see how the storage looks like. Refresh my memory real quick. So slide it in sideways like that on the back of the box. There's instruction. There's about 5. So all I have to do is just put it into here. That's it. And then lock it up. That's it. Okay, let's see how it works. Wow. So first of all, I would go in and out, half position, full position. Let's see how many. Oh, a mini, like a box cutter. I love that. So there's 3 positions. 1, 2, 3. Love it. So this idea more like cutting boxes apart, smaller boxes, and just box cutter opener, or just a tape opener. Beautiful. And if I wanna press this, push again, replace it, use the other side. Once this one run out, press this, push it back and release it. How amazing is that? So same again, once this one both sides are out and doled out, auto-loading. This feels like magic. Like, I can't believe it, that's even a thing. And again, if I wanna replace it, flip it over. Such an easy button to use. Again, use it up, take it off, reload. That is just so satisfying. I cannot believe they have done that. And I think we all out. And once we all out, that means push it back, push this forward. We have 5 more, reload. And it will be automatic, which is pretty much more than enough for all day, I hope. And boom, again, push a button, flip it over, boom. It is so satisfying, so smooth. I can't believe it. And reload them again, and it comes with a little container. That is the most amazing utility tool, auto-loading by far, and I don't have to waste time reloading it. When it doles out, it's just so quick. So it will be probably enough for all day. There's a hilarious, like a lighter attachment for like a power bank. So there's USB-C and there's a lighter. Let's see if it will work with the phone for fun, real quick. You know what, it will not work with the phone because I have iPhone. Let me get a power bank and see if it will heat up over it. Okay, there's a USB-C charger. Let's see, is it working? I do see it's working. Okay, all I have to do is press it and it has safety. Wow, so that's kind of a nice emergency lighter. All I have to do is get some grass, dry grass, and get the campfire going. Love it. And all we need is one of these power banks. So that's a really cool lighter right here for any power bank. I mean, that has USB-C type. Here's another lighter. Pretty futuristic design over here. Kinda cool. I don't know what those numbers are. Let's figure it out. Whoa, that's a flashlight. That's cool. Okay, there's a different kind of like a lantern flashlight. Doesn't have a clip, I don't think. But how does this open? Okay, let's turn it off. Ooh, so it tells us the power, and now it lights up, except it's kind of like a glow in the dark. That's hilarious. That's a really cool little lighter, that's for sure. What do you guys think? And the coolest part is it's see-through LED and has a nice LED flashlight. I don't know. Plasma lighter, flashlight. There it is. Got it here, V-Knife Company mini keychain size pen. It will take this kind of refills. So comes with the keyring, but it is titanium. I really love the logo right here. And there's a keyring attachment. It is a twist off, so that will stay onto the keychain. And then I have right here nice miniature pen. This will come off and use it. Also to remove it, let's see, this side here will open and replace the fill, and there you go. Super small, but I really love the design and anodized blue titanium. So it's really lightweight but very durable. That's it, very stylish too. Glow keychain, so it's like a little glow fob, I would say. So perfect for keys that is like a bolt keys or something that easy to lose, maybe on a flashlight. It comes with one of these like keychains or key rod, whatever they called. So there's two different kinds. I prefer this one better because it tightens up really good. So it could be attached to a multi-tool. In the dark time it drops. It can be seen easily without a flashlight in the grass and so on, because it will glow in the dark. And it's pretty flexible, so let's leave it in the sun, in the light, and see what it looks like in the dark. It glows really well, even in a pretty bright room, it glows really nicely. Okay, let's go in much darker room and close the door. It is very bright, I love it, almost like a mini flashlight in a sense. In the complete darkness, we will be able to see the door and certain things. That is cool. So it emits quite a bit of light for like certain amount of time. But yeah, it will be very visible. If I drop something, it's right there. So if it's in the grass, tall grass, it'll be easy to spot. And it looks really good even in a regular daylight time too.